It's alright, we've done a lot of fitness, but unfortunately we've had a lot of injuries the last 2 weeks, about 8 boys with hamstrings and groins, so hopefully we can come through that and be strong, ready for the beginning of the season.
Quite good from set pieces, attacking set pieces. Got a lot of good headers of the ball, so that should be one to hopefully look out for.
Well, obviously the ambition now for this season is, well, just coming up is to stay up. That's the main ambition for the club and personally as well.
Newtown, I've seen a couple of results in Europe and the pre-season friendlies, and they look a strong outfit this year. So I think they finish up the league a lot higher than most people will think. I'd have Idzi in goals. I'd have Stewie Jones of Haverfordwest centre half. I'd have Wild up front from TNS with Rose as well, and Declan Carter from our team. He's a bit of a fancy Dan, but he's got some great tricks in the locker. So that'll be my 5. I'd be on the bench end just in case.